Hi, Orion is a digital transformation and product development services firm, and we've been a partner of Microsoft for over 25 years. Globally, we have 5,000 plus associates. We work with Fortune 1,000 companies in their digital transformation. And today we have over 3,000 experts on Microsoft technology, and we look forward to strengthening and growing this relationship.
Our design-led and technology-driven team and the Centers of Innovation with the deep engineering skills in Microsoft technology helps the clients like Penguin Random House in their digital transformation. Our BI and visualization practice has been the key driver of our DNA practice and Centers of Innovation within Orion.
Penguin Random House, one of the world's largest publishing houses, had a challenge in the supply chain where employees had to search through 3 billion records to align the trending titles. To improve CSAT, PRH needed one application to search and derive meaningful insights from multiple Azure search indexes. When Microsoft approached Orion with the technology problem, we evaluated the business issue, and a team of experts with Azure AI, ML, and Power Platform tools came up with a solution. Our team connected Azure Cognitive Search with Power BI and helped PRH provide organization-wide authentication-based access to information, thus saving employee time with faster and easier reporting capabilities, improving supply chain, and staying ahead of the competition.
For Penguin Random House, we created a single-page application integrated within Power BI Online. We achieved role-based access with their existing Office 365 Okta implementation. Based on users' access and input, we implemented this request will either route to search APIs or data service APIs. We implemented dynamic search to interact with Azure Cognitive Service multiple indexes. Due to this, users can now search on massive database with multiple indexes in seconds.
Microsoft OCP model and alignment with field sales team helped me align this account with Orion. Our team's participation in the weekly calls of Power Platform rollouts kept us always updated on the knowns and the unknown. 150 plus events delivered in Power Platform, Azure Synapse for modern data platform across our global operations.
The Penguin Random House case study showcases the best of how we work with clients and partners and technologies such as Power BI. We've implemented Microsoft solutions for Fortune 500 clients across telecommunications, financial services, healthcare, and more. And we continue to promote both Orion's capabilities and Microsoft's technologies across the board.